morning, traders. This is Matt with newbietrader.com. Want to welcome you to our daily results video for Tuesday, December 16th, 2014. What a crazy day in the market. I don't know if you're watching the market, but it was just a slam to the downside pre-market, a huge drive to the upside, and then a rotation off in the afternoon. I think the S&P covered a range of over 50 or 60 points. And that's not counting, the drop of 40, the run of 60, and then the pullback of another. I mean, the total distance it covered was hundreds of points on the day. Absolutely incredible. And it just set for a lot of volatility, a lot of opportunity in our market. So we ended up, again, with another record day here from a trade standpoint. 35 trades on the day. 10 of them were losers. So the loss rate was a little higher than what we normally see, and the trade rate was 3.5, almost 4 times larger than what we normally see. But that's all right. This volatility will die down, but the beauty is, even with this extreme volatility, our system, our tools are still kicking butt. We're able to produce a daily profit, and started off in the pre-market. Part of that first drive to the downside, there was a short, huge win for us, $650. So anybody that caught that pre-market probably just packed it up and didn't even trade for the day. But after the pre-market, the market kind of went back and forth. There was 3 trades in a row going into the open, 10, 60, 60. And then after the open, the market actually bounced, started climbing a bit. And it climbed for most of the day. You can see a series of trades there. There's 130, 50, minus 200, 90, and then a little bit of a sideways price action, chopped around a bit. In this next series between 10 o'clock and 10:15, there was 160, 20, 40 to the downside. Finally caught a break at 10 o'clock, $210, and then $30. And at 10:15, the market rotated, started going to the upside, and didn't really look back for the most portion of the rest of the day. There was a 200, 10, 70, and then the big drive to the upside. Unfortunately, this trade over here at 10:48 got was 0, but there was a 50, 90, 230. Gave it back here on this little pullback. Unfortunately, there was a signal to get long, and unfortunately, if you look down here at the bottom on this particular signal, our deltas were to the downside, but there was one pop there that went to the upside, and that actually triggered in the signal only to see the delta fall off. So you could have gotten out of that, but we'll just take the full stop. So minus 240 on that. But when the market started climbing, it gave it back to us. We were able to get a 380 trade, a $70 trade, and then here at the top, this is after a huge run right at the lunchtime dead zone, 2 back-to-back stop outs. And that was just, that's a bad way to end your morning. But, it happens. The market pulled back a little bit during the lunchtime dead zone. Another losing trade on the pullback, but then it continued into the end of the day. We had a nice 240 win, couple losses, another 240 win, and then as the market was rotating back and forth. So this chop wasn't great from the standpoint that we, like I said, we had 10 losses on the day, and that is a lot more. Normally, we'll come in and we'll see 2, maybe 3 losses on a day. So today there was quite a few more losses, but at the same time there was 3.5, 4 times the win. So mentally, I know it wore out most of our room. We were plumb tired by the time this trading day was done, because it was just fast action, high pace, and it was just a fantastic day. I prefer to make $1,200 on taking 10 trades a day versus 35 trades a day, but gave a little money to our brokers today in commissions, but nonetheless, it was still a fantastic day. And again, I invite you to come check us out at newbie-trader.com/Russell. $1,250, 35 trades, 10 losers. I want to thank you for watching, and make it a great day.